Never knew what love was until I held you. I never knew the right words until I found you.
Lucas Landon Joyner. Most girls would describe their wedding day as their dreams coming true, but for me to say that would be a lie. Marrying you far exceeds my dreams. Loving you is immeasurably greater than anything I've ever imagined. To me, the most beautiful and meaningful thing someone can do in life is simply reflect God's love to someone else. It's a rare love. It's unconditional, active, attentive, empowering, forgiving, passionate, patient, kind, enduring, and absolute. This kind of love is the safest place and the greatest adventure all at once. Lou, this is the love that you wrap me up in every single day, reflecting God and His extravagant heart for me.
These eyes are never open until I saw you. My heart's now unfolding, and it was made for you. Every day before you I was holding out. If you want the stars I can pull them down. Baby, in my arms you'll be safe and sound. Now this fire we got started forever burns up the sky. Oceans we parted, and mountains yet to climb. Every day before you I was holding out. If you want the stars I can pull them down. Baby, in my arms you'll be safe and sound.
Brinley Lacey, I will never fully wrap my head around the fact that I get to say your name right now. Tell me I would be standing right here in front of you 2 years ago and it would have blown my mind. Bryn, I'm so madly in love with you. I fall for you more and more every day, and there's not a day that goes by that I don't look at you and go, wow, I am the luckiest dude. I mean, look at her. This is the real thing, and I can't wait to make this a real thing in the Lord's eyes here today. You are my best friend, and I'm so stoked to be your husband and date you until death do we part.
All I can see is how it all unfolds, from the sunrise to the dead of night. I'll never let you go.
This way, can't get enough, so stay with me. Sound like we got big plans. Let's drive around town on two hands. And you need to know you're the only one, alright.